besties, what's up, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I need to clean my room up, and apparently I don't get anything done unless I'm filming it. So I decided to film a clean with me. I also have no other ideas of what to post this week, so this is what I'm gonna post. Yay, so exciting. Let's just get straight into cleaning. My room isn't too bad. It was worse, but like it's better. So anyways, let's just clean. So this is my room right now. Like, it's a bit messy. Ooh, it's a bit messy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean up my floor. So like the clothes that are on my floor, unpack my bags because I'm on school holidays, so I need to unpack my school bag and my dance bag. And like put shoes away and stuff, so I'm gonna do that first. Okay, so I had to have a quick shower because I'm going on a date with my boyfriend tonight. But I've made some progress on this part of the floor. My bed's a bit messy, so my next goal is to pack all the clothes away. So I've got clothes on my floor and some clothes on my bed, so my goal is to sort them into their piles and put them in the drawers or hang them up wherever they need to go. And once I do that, my floor will be pretty clean. I just have to put away those 2 containers that I just keep procrastinating putting away, and then my floor will pretty much be clean. I just need to clean up like my desk and like all the surfaces and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I've actually done quite a bit since you last saw. I made this, my bed. My mum gave me my school uniform, so I need to pack that away. Also, here is mainly clean now. I'm gonna just talk to you guys about what's happening with those bags. And I fixed like this corner up. And like this corner's done. I have to take my bin out soon because like I have rubbish now. Now I just have to tackle the main big surfaces. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're now in lockdown. I just had like a 3-hour break from cleaning because I went to see my boyfriend and go out for dinner with a few friends. So, well, this is where we're at. That's all clean. Oh, I need to shut this door again. That's all clean. I am burning a candle. But this is all stuff that was like on top of that. Oh, and he's clean. Except for that I just put there, the drink. Oh, and those, they've got to go on the bin. But, yes. So let's keep cleaning. Well, I need to be careful, there's a candle burning. Yeah, let's keep cleaning. Okay, so, yes, there's still crap everywhere, but I'm currently cleaning through all my school stuff, because obviously I have trials as soon as lockdown is over. So, this is my year 11 dance book. That, none of my dance stuff carries over, because, like, this is, like, dance theory that I did. Oh, that's the last page. But, like, let me find it. Like, this is like dance theory from old dances that I did, and so now that carries over. So I'm just ripping out all the pages so that way I have paper to use for studying, I guess. Probably, I don't know if I'm actually gonna study, but who knows. So now I have 2 books that have had, this one has about half ripped out and this one only has a few pages. Oh, and then I have this book, which is from geography, and I never did any work in it, so. Books for studying. And I also have a whole pile next to me of all my year 11 stuff that doesn't carry over to throw out. Books up here that don't carry over, but they are actually really good quality books. Like, I don't want to just throw out these books. Like, that's, if someone just HSC major, this would really help them. And then we have a year 11 dance book, and one about one of the works we study in dance. So I don't really want to get rid of them because they're probably really good resources for someone. So I'll see if anyone wants them. Oh, I also have this folder that's now empty, which I need to figure out what to do with it. Pardon me. And this was meant to be a notebook I used for school, but then I ended up using my laptop. So I have another book that's completely empty. And then this book has like old dances and stuff in it. Not very helpful, but yeah. I'm trying to sort through all my dance stuff so that way, not my dance stuff, all my school stuff, so at least it's organized. So if I choose to study, I'm not struggling. I probably will still struggle. But right now, that's what I'm doing, because once I do that, everything should be clean, and then I can find stuff for everything else. Well, that's the plan. Whether the plan will follow through, I don't know. Oh, we'll see. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I'm still cleaning. I did most of my cleaning on FaceTime to my boyfriend last night, so I didn't get to film it. So let me give you an update. So basically the only things I still have left to clean are these bags on the floor. I have to take out the rubbish. That's all my old school stuff and my bin of rubbish right there. And then I just have to figure out where all the ribbon is going for my small business. That ribbon that's there and that ribbon that's over there. That's literally all I have to do. And my room is clean. It's a bit to do, but like that's okay. Well, it's like not too much, but like I also have a lot of things I gotta do today. I'm gonna start by going to put this bag of rubbish in there. Oh, there's also my Easter wrappers that I gotta open the recycling, so I'm gonna put all my rubbish in the bin. And then, yeah. Okay, so I thought at that time I explained these bags. They're like these clothes. So basically, they're a bunch of old clothes that don't fit me or that I want to sell anymore. I don't want, so I'm just going to sell them on Depop. And it's going to be a part of a video that I'm posting in a few weeks. So if you want to check out what I'm selling on there, my Depop link will be in the description below. But yeah, so basically I can't do anything with these bags. I've taken my rubbish out. And I just have to figure out what to do with those, but I'm going to be working on my business a bit later today, so I can figure that out then. So yeah, this video is pretty much over. If you wouldn't mind liking, commenting, and subscribing, that would be amazing. Also, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. That is actually insane. I hit my goal by literally halfway through the year, so thank you guys so much. Yeah. If you want to check out my Depop, the link is down below. My small business is also always linked below, and so is all my social media. And until next time, bye besties!